Hey, it's Mike Hayden from A11y, and in this video we're going to go through an example of how you might connect your lead capture with this testing tool. So this is basically steps 5 and 6 from the instructions. If you haven't seen the video on how to set up the A11y testing tool, I recommend you go through that first. Okay, so we are going to start by creating, this one we're going to use Gravity Forms. You can use whatever autoresponder, say MailChimp or Aweber or whatever, but in this one I'm going to do it through Gravity Forms. So we'll add a new form. Let's just keep it simple. Apologies for the keyboard. So we want to add a name, an email address, and then a website. So you would probably make these all required, but can't be bothered doing it for this demonstration because it's not required. Okay, so we come into the confirmations. In the confirmations, we're going to change it to a redirect, and then we're going to grab this one. So this is the testing page. And then, sorry for jumping around a bit quick. So you can set it up so that it just automatically redirects to this page, kind of as the thank you page, and that might be what you need to do for, say, MailChimp or wherever. But if you want it to automatically start the testing, then you need to add the URL parameter. So it's really easy to do in Gravity Forms. We just go in here, we go URL equals, and then we use this one here to get the website. Save the confirmation. And now we just add the Gravity form to the title. All right, so now we can view this page, and so this would be the contact form, the call to action, the testing lead capture, whatever it is that you wanted to do. So we would go, let's go put the name and all that in. Let's do Google for this one. All right, so then when we hit submit, it's going to capture the entry under the entries. So then you can see, so you've got who it was and all that with the email, and if you've set your notifications up to go to you, then you'll get an email with all this detail in there. And then, as you can see, that test was significantly faster than the CNN one, and it has all the results there. So that happened automatically. Now, just to show you that one again, let's do Bing. So it automatically goes there, and then this message here, this one means that it has started the test. So it's going away, it's analyzing it, it's checking, seeing what kind of performance Bing has, and then as you can see, it does automatically, everything all pushes through. So that would be the way that I would most likely use this tool. So you have your form which pushes to this page, and then using the URL parameter, as you can see up the top, it says $URL equals. Now, yes, it has some unusual characters in there. That's just a HTML safe thing. So it also works if you literally just put the thing in there. So I don't know, for example, you might want to send people directly to that URL to get it tested. If, I don't know, maybe if you're using it as part of your sales process, for example, you could pull that up. So, it would look like it's running your custom test right from your website. So, yeah, that's how I would use that.